We are going to use rs.25 SDV motherboard with Ryzen 3 3200G processor with anti-sport VS500L power supply, and we are also going to use a PC case by Anti-Sports, specifically rs.200TG. Very good looking PC case by Anti-Sports. Let's unbox this PC case and see how it's look. Very good looking PC case. It have carbon fiber finishing in the middle. The cabinet is in matte black. Side tempered glass. Pretty much space for assembling a good PC. Dust cover on the top. We have power switch and RGB switch on the top. 2 audio ports, USB 3.0, inbuilt card reader. Front have RGB strips, 2 hard disks space, and 3 space for SSD. Before fitting everything into PC, I first fit everything and check outside if display is okay and everything working or not. I have installed a 16GB of single DDR4 RAM and a 256GB of NVMe drive. Let's install the IO shield, then the motherboard. Now we have to connect power, reset, hard disk, LED, power LED, audio and USB port from this side. So let's do it. We have to wire everything neat and clean. So we are going to use zip tie to adjust all the cable in systematic manner.